Alrighty, let's do the activity. So if you have downloaded the Power BI desktop tool using this step-by-step process we gave you last time, and if you have installed in your system, you go to your start menu, type for Power BI. You should get your Power BI application. Just click it. You will get the app open. So in Power BI, the topmost panel is called ribbon, where if you see all related to your data, where you can export data, you get data from different sources, and you have menu of insert, modeling, views, optimize. It's all pretty much the tool for Power BI. On your left hand side, you see different views. I'm using latest versions. I'm using 5. Some people will use only 3. We'll focus on the 3. The first one is called the report view. It's pretty much how you can generate your report within your the dotted line. That's your boundary of your report. In the report view, you have filters on your right, your visualization. You can have different types of visualization, what chart you're going to work on, so you can create those. And then the data. At the moment, data is there's nothing in a data screen because we haven't uploaded any data. So the first activity, let's upload the data which we have downloaded from the Microsoft website, the file called finance sample. So either you can click import data from here or Excel workbook, wherever you want, you can click and select the data, import data. And I've already downloaded, it's called financial sample, double click it, and your data will be loaded into the system. But before that, it will show you a navigator panel of your file which has 2 sheets. Happy to take both sheet, and in your right hand side you can see the preview of your file, and then click load. So once you click load, it might take some time depending on the size of the data sheet and performance of your system. You can wait for some time or can go for a coffee. Hmm, that's it. So 700 rows has been loaded, and you won't see anything in the center, but in your data you see 2 different sheets. Your data has been uploaded. So that's your first activity, how to import data. And the next activity, or before we go to the next activity, we'll look at the table view. So at the moment you see all the data, but there's nothing has been generated in your report. So you go to your table view. In the table view, just like Excel spreadsheet, you see all the data of the spreadsheet and including your finance. And in your model view is nothing but how you can manage your relationships between different data sets. And that's what it shows. We'll cover this in the next activity.